Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Plugs are safe with or without holes in the prongs. Type A and B plugs have two flat prongs with, often, but not always, a hole near the tip. In some sockets, there are two spring action blades that hold the sides of the plug pins and prevent the plug from simply slipping out.
Let's help you make your mark.
Electricians may position the outlet in an upside-down position so that you can quickly identify the switch-controlled receptacle. Since it stands out visually to most people right away, it provides convenience to the occupants to easily remember which outlet is switch-controlled.
Make your mark, take our lead.
A 20-amp receptacle will have one slot that looks like a sideways T. If it is a dedicated circuit, it would be a single receptacle instead of a duplex. If you look at the breakers in your breaker panel and there is a 20 on the handle, it's a 20-amp circuit.
Let's help you make your mark.
Europe's electrical system is different from ours in two ways: the voltage of the current and the shape of the plug. American appliances run on 110 volts, while European appliances are 220 volts. If you see a range of voltages printed on the item or its plug, such as 110 to 220, you're okay in Europe.
Make your mark, take our lead.
These bumps fit into the holes so that the outlet can grip the plug's prongs more firmly. This detenning prevents the plug from slipping out of the socket due to the weight of the plug and cord. It also improves the contact between the plug and the outlet.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.